everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik again. So our buying plan yesterday was really amazing. So I would give you a little recap and what should we do next for today. Alright, so let's go straight to the charts. So here we go. Yesterday, if you remember, you've got the buying plan at 1870 to 1865 and then the selling plan at around 1890 for the first one. Alright, but what happened was that I told you please we need to make a buying plan first, because if we got to sell first, then this buying plan needs to be cancelled because this supply zone is from a lot larger time frame, if you remember. And what happened was the price is now being held above this demand zone that we made the buying plans. Okay, so how many times that it used this plan? So actually I would say the first time it used this plan is this one. So the price came back down to around 1870 point something. Okay, so you need to add a little bit more up for this rate. And what happened was the price chewed back up really strongly. That's around 1,000 points. Okay, however, if you're still having your position here like the pending order, it is still bounced back. So 1870 is being, the support as well, as I said, okay? And the second time it's bounced back only around 670 points. And the third time it bounced back to only around 260 points. And then the fourth time it bounced back to around 800 points. So why do we need to, take you through this? I would want to tell you something, that the first bounce from a demand zone is going to be the strongest one. And this is the case. Okay, so the first bounce made around 1,000 something points. So that's a lot. And then it's reduced back to around 600, 200. Okay, why is that? This is a very good case study. It's because the demand zone, if you use it once, it is going to be weaker. Twice, even weaker. And the third time, I say that is not safe anymore. Okay, why is that? Because the order from the big funds are here, right? Are in the zones that we are waiting. The first bounce means that the order have already matched those pending order of the big funds already. So the second time is actually have a lot less pending order there to match your order. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is a good case study to tell you that the first time that the price tests the zone is going to be the biggest one. Okay, that's going to be the biggest bounce. And the second time and the third time, you need to be really careful, because that zone is not going to be as strong as the first time. Alright, so this is the lesson learned for you guys today. So that's the recap for the yesterday's plan, and today we are going to make a new plan together. So let me remove everything. Let's put the supply zone back up. That's the supply zone from the weekly time frame, right? But we have already went through all the weekly and monthly time frame for yesterday's video. So today I'm going to start with the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, what we've got here is a candlestick from yesterday still being a bullish one. So that means it is more chance that the price is going to continue going up. Okay, it's not even a reversal pattern or anything. So I would say we are still having the, buying plans for you guys. And the selling plans, I would say, I need to admit that it is going to be the same one with yesterday, so I wouldn't talk about it a lot. Okay, so for the buying plan, our price is still being held from this demand zone. Okay, and also the support at 1870. Okay, so the price is persisted over this significant level as well. So could we go for a followed by here, I'll say yes. So in this time frame, since this one is the demand zone from the 4 hour time frame, and this 1 hour time frame actually having this QM patterns here, so I would say maybe we could wait for a buying plan here. However, I would say maybe the price have chosen to use it already. Yeah, so that's gone. So I would say if we meet a little bit earlier from now that I'm recording video, it is going to be this plan. This is the QM patterns for following buy. However, the price have already actioned on this, plan. So what should we do next? I would say we need to wait for a new demand zone to be formed. All right, so I'll draw you the patterns here. So we do hope that this QM pattern would send the price to make even a higher high than this one, and also please form a new demand zone here. So if you have a base here for the demand zone pattern base rally that we have, this is going to be a new buying plan for us. All right, but this at the moment, I would say the pattern is not quite clear yet, so I can't really give you the number, but please remember this pattern. So if the price did make this kind of pattern and have a new demand zone, it is going to be our follow buying plan for today. Okay, what about the selling plan? I would say we're still having the same ones, which is the low twice from the 4 hour time frame, and that's going to be at 1890. Okay, 1890, 1900 and 1905. Okay, the first thing that we need to check for the confirming patterns is at 1890. All right, so that's the rough plan for today. It is not going to be clear on the buying plan because we're still not having a clear pattern for you, but I have a Telegram, so if you are on Telegram, we will surely keep you updated on the plans that we've got. Okay, so I hope you learned something new from this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. And if you haven't joined me on our Telegram, I'll leave the registration link down below. It is going to be on our website, so you need to register through our website and we will let you in. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.